So how do we move files? Okay, so moving here in Windows terms, we will say cut. Okay, cut and then paste. So for Windows users, if you don't know what the move command is, it's just basically a cut and paste. That's the Windows equivalent. So how do we move files? Let's just clear the screen. Let's do an ls to see what we have here. Now let's create another directory. Let's just see the sequence. Let's do an ls. So let's say I want to move this. Okay, let's just start with the directory because the topic for today is about directories. So if let's say I want to move a directory, such as this, let's say I want to move this DNA to sequence. I can say mv and then I'll say DNA and then I'll move to sequence. So now if I do an ls, DNA is no longer there. It's in the sequence directory. So ls into sequence and we are going to find it's there. Okay, so this is how we move directories. Here we moved it, but here we can also move and rename. Okay, so let's do this. This time let's look at the bioinformatics directory here. Okay, so I just typed it, so it's ls bioinformatics. So let's say I want to move this directory DNA and then rename it. I can just say mv bioinformatics /DNA and then I can say sequence /DNA2. So I have moved it. So I'll do an ls into bioinformatics. It's no longer there, but ls sequence, you find it. So there's it. Okay, don't let this confuse. So this was already there, but now it's here. Let's try something else. Again, so let's just say RNA. Let's move it. So I can say mv RNA sequence / let's say RNA2. So it's gone. So ls sequence, you'll find it's there, RNA2. So this is how we move files.